In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. This is one of the first things I do while setting up any new device, because it makes my font size perfect for my eyesight. If you want to do it on this device, just go into Devices Settings and scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness, located here. Now scroll again and this time select Font. Finally, operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, hit Apply button to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!